everyone, it's Amanda back with another quick video, and what we're going to discuss today is Impact Mailing Club and the promotion that's going on. It started yesterday and it's going to be here all the way till March 6th, and I'm going to show you exactly how to take advantage of this promotion and how you can start earning within the next couple of weeks from the time you actually get signed up and get started. So you want to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to also share with you some of the bonuses that I have that's going to help speed up your results. These are bonuses that no one else is going to give you, but this is the things that I can give to you because I know what works. And not only that, I want to make sure that people succeed with this opportunity. I've been doing this since 2016, direct mail and postcard program opportunities. It has helped me to generate 6 figures a year. And you can do the same thing as long as you apply what it is that I'm going to teach you. So what we're going to basically do is get into Impact Mailing Club, what the promotion is. Not only that, the bonuses that I'm going to include on top of this promotion, but it's only going to be from now till March 6th, okay? So let's get into it. Okay, so this promotion is going on from February 21st to March 6th. And basically what Impact Mailing Club is, and I put together this quick little presentation. Well, we're going to do it together, and I'm going to just give you a little bit of information about the program. So this is a flyer program, and what we have, I'm going to just go over the different levels and what you're going to be able to come in at during the promotion, which is not going to be for long. After the promotion, the price is going to go back up to regular price. So these promotions is nearly taking off. I'm just looking for the information in my phone, guys. It's going to literally take off more than half of what you would pay if the promotion was not here, okay? So right now you're going to get a really good deal, and it's going to allow you to get the most money. I will make the most money for the least amount of money that you can actually spend to get in. Right now they have the Ruby level, okay? And at the Ruby level, they're going to upgrade you to the Sapphire level, and it's going to only cost you a one-time payment of $250, okay? So for $250, you're going to get into the Sapphire level. The Sapphire is normally $500 to get in, okay? $500 for the Sapphire level. Then we have promotion number 2, which is coming at the Sapphire level. And then you're going to upgrade to the Diamond level. And that's going to only cost you a one-time payment of $500. Now, to get into the Diamond level, it normally costs us $2,000 to get into the Diamond level. $1,000 to your sponsor, $500 to your sponsor, and $500 to the company, which is admin. So right now, you're going to be able to get into the Diamond level for only $500, okay? And then we have the Double Diamond. So at the Diamond level, you're going to be able to upgrade to the Double Diamond, which is normally $4,000 to get in. But for right now, you're going to be able to get in to the Double Diamond for $2,000. And that's a one-time payment, okay? So all of these different upgrades, it's normally more than half to get in, but they're going to literally give it to you basically for nothing. I mean, this is cheap to have a full-time business. You make a one-time payment, you're going to get paid over and over and over again. Okay, and then what I want to do really quick is just go over my bonuses. So to help you to get started with the opportunity and make sure that you have everything that you need to get going. At the Ruby level, I'm going to give you 4 books of stamps to get started, which is the upgrade to the Sapphire level, okay? You're going to get 4 books of stamps from me directly. You're going to get your cover letter customized, okay? And then I'm going to help you to make sure that you have everything that you need to get started, okay? And you know exactly what you need to do. And that's going to be at the Ruby level. At the Sapphire level, which is the diamond level upgrade. I'm going to give you a total of 6 books of stamps. And you're going to also receive the cover letter customized. And for the double diamond, which is the best deal that you can get, and you're going to have the most bonuses at that level. So we're going to do the diamond, which is going to upgrade you to the double diamond. I'm going to give you 10 books of stamps. Okay, you're going to also get the cover letter customized, and a total of 100 copies of the letter. I'm going to send that to you by mail. Okay, so these are the bonuses that we have right now. That's going to only be for the time of the promotion, which is, again, February 21st to March 6th. So here we have, again, the ruby level is going to upgrade you to the sapphire level for $250. The sapphire level is going to upgrade you to the diamond level for only $500. And a diamond level is going to upgrade you to the double diamond, and that's going to only cost you $2,000. Okay. And the additional bonuses that I'm giving to all of the people who join me directly at the sapphire upgrade, you're going to get 4 books of stamps, the customized cover letter. At the sapphire to diamond level, you're going to get 6 books of stamps and the cover letter customized. And at the diamond level, when you upgrade to the diamond, which is going to give you the double diamond benefits, you're going to get 10 books of stamps and 100 copies of the cover letter along with the customized cover letter. So this is what I'm going to do to help you get started. Again, these promos, they don't come around too often, so you will want to take advantage of them because it's going to give you the most bang for your buck. And then the great thing about it is at the double diamond level, you're now going to be able to get paid on every single level. At the diamond level, you're going to get paid everything at the diamond level and everything that's below the diamond level, okay? And then at the sapphire level, you're going to get paid everything that comes in at the sapphire level and below the sapphire level. You're going to have the opportunity to upgrade within 30 days by just paying the difference. If you wait until after 30 days, you have to pay the full amount. So let's just say you come in at the sapphire level for $250. To get to the diamond level, you're going to just pay the difference, and that's going to upgrade you to the next level, okay? So if you want to take advantage, the link will be in the description of this video. You can also reach out to me if you have any questions. My phone number and my email is also available, including my Facebook information to reach me on Facebook Messenger. Again, this is a really good opportunity. And not only that, the promotions just make it outstanding. I'm including these bonuses, which I have never done before. This is only going to go on for the time of the promotion. Okay. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll be back to you tomorrow with another video. Have a great night and enjoy your weekend.